Hey YouTube, it's the BMX41 and here's my bike check. I got my bike the 2012 Kink launch and I got some parts for it, so let's check it out. I'm rocking ODI long nut grips. And then I have one Mission bar end and one ODI bar end. I don't even know how that happened, but it did. Shitty Mission stem. I don't even know what it's called. Don't get it. Your bars slip. I'm getting an Ocean Blue Odyssey CFL for my friend. Mission headset. High tensile steel frame. Kink bolt forks. Mission front wheel. PBR with Mission Echo hub, and in the middle of my bike we got a Mission seat clamp, Kink Super Stump seat post with a Shadow Conspiracy slimmer seat, a Kink decimal 25 tooth sprocket, Mission transit cranks, and Shadow Ravager pedals. These are my favorite pedals. I either run these or Odyssey Twisteds. They're really nice pedals. Get them. Just some KMC chain. And the grand finale, my favorite part, the back rim. It is a Demolition Zero rim with blue and white shadow spokes with a Primo Remix hub. I absolutely love this wheel. It's my baby. And I'm getting a front rim off my friend. That's a white Demolition Zero, black nipples, white spokes, white Demolition Bleemy hub. So I'm gonna have white rims, get a white frame, white bars, white forks, have a white and blue bike. So thanks for watching.